In this demo, we are going to take a look at our WordPress plugin KBucket. What is it? What are its use cases? And how can you get started? Let's take a look. To learn about KBucket, you can reach the description from the products menu, KBucket. And here you can see the descriptions. KBucket, in essence, is a content hub, a dedicated gallery that also acts as the source for content widgets on your website and the landing page for our KChat conversational chatbots. All three products are integrated as one, and we're going to take a look to see how they all work together. The first use case I want to show you are the content widgets. Underneath each product description on our front page, we have a carousel, and this content has been filtered from the Content Hub and displayed under each one of our product descriptions. This content happens to be a YouTube video, so when I click on it, it's going to play the video directly on my site. The second use case I want to share with you is how KBucket is used as the landing page for our KChat chatbot. The same content that is published to KBucket on the dedicated hub is also used to create knowledge hubs for our KChat chatbot. And that's why we can use KBucket as a landing page for KChat. So for example, if I ask my KChat, how can I set up KBucket? It's going to take a look at the content we have published onto our KBucket website and find the right answer and the right reference link to the source of that information. You can see that it has generated the answer here, and it has given us 3 different reference links. And when we click on them, again, it will take us to the video, but this time on the Content Hub page. Each KBucket pop-up has a dedicated link. That's why the KChat references can open up the pop-up. It also means that you can share these links via the citation icon you see on the screen or the share buttons down below on social media to drive traffic back to your own website. Additionally, all the content that you have posted with your videos or other posts that you add to KBucket is visible to search engines. So this content is also used to help get you more traffic to your website. In other words, it's SEO and GEO optimized. Finally, let's take a look at our dedicated KBucket Content Hub page. On our website, it appears under the Content Hub menu. You can see that it has multiple channels. You can have a mix of content. Every time there is a watch now, that means it's a YouTube video. If it says read more, that means it's a link to a post. That could be any kind of a web link. All of the content here is curated and edited by the Kurator app. KBucket is a way to display your content. Kurator is a much more powerful tool for managing content that you want to publish, and every time that you make changes in Kurator, the content is automatically synced with your KBucket website. Now let's take a quick look to see how to install KBucket and get started. You can install KBucket directly from your WordPress plugin directory. Simply search for KBucket and install it on your website. Once you install it, you will have the KBucket plugin in your sidebar. And from here, the first thing that you should do is click on this link and get your API key So if you're not registered yet and you click on the link, you will land on this login registration page. Register your account. This registration is different than your Kurator and KChat registration. After you register and you get your API key, you can enter it here. You can see that once you're registered, you will get a list of API keys. You will have one. You can create new keys if you have more than one site. You simply add that API key here, and then you proceed to set up your KBucket page and then set up your Kurator link here in order to upload content to your KBucket page. We have detailed lessons on all of this. Visit our website, the content gallery, and learn how to get started. You can also follow the documentation on our docs page to do so. KBucket is a very powerful tool for displaying content on your website and owning your research, your social media posts, and engaging people on your site to increase time on site, to power your curated GPT chatbot, and a lot more. Give it a try.